Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Today I am so excited because today we're going to be talking about a palette that I am honestly shooketh by. I have never ever in my life had such a reaction that I just had today, and I feel like my makeup looks so pretty today. I was loving my face makeup already, and I know if I have a good face day, if I ruin it with the eyes, it's just gonna fuck it up for me. But you guys will see how impressed I am with this eyeshadow palette. And you guys might be wondering, what eyeshadow palette you're talking about, girl? Today we're going to be talking about the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette by Kristen Dominique. You guys, Kristen Dominique is probably one of the sweetest people online. Like, next to Candy Johnson, I feel like she's one of the nicest people ever. You just see them on Snapchat, you see them on YouTube, and you literally see like those people are honestly one of the nicest people online, and you can just see them being so raw and real through the camera. So I'm just so excited to support her. I love her videos. She's just so amazing. I love the way she does her half and half videos. She's just so creative. She loves coffee. So obviously the first palette she made is called the Latte palette, and this is the palette. You guys, look how stunning these eyeshadows are. You get 7 mattes and 3 shimmers in this palette, and they are huge. Like, they are so big and they're so pigmented. Shook by this palette, you guys. This palette I believe is $42. I will leave the link for the palette down below because I do believe that they're actually for sale now. I want to say it's already for sale, so please go ahead. I will link the link down below where you can buy this because this is honestly so good. I'm just gonna give you that right now. It's so bomb. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I hope you guys are interested in this palette. I will go ahead and leave more information down below in the links and the description just about more about this palette, so you guys know everything. I will also leave Kristen Dominique's YouTube channel down below, as well as her tutorials using this palette, because if you guys like these type of videos, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the post notification to get a notification whenever I upload. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is the palette. It looks just like this. It's like this beautiful rose gold packaging, and here is on the back, it gives the colors and some more information. I believe this is distributed and made in the US. It is, and you can get this at dominiquebeauty.com. And I think it's made in Texas. I'm not really for 100% sure. And this is a cruelty-free brand. Now I will leave Kristen's video down below that has all the fun facts because I don't know them off the top of my hand. Here is the gorgeous palette, the Latte palette. It just, like, aesthetically, it's like so stunning. You open and ta-da! So you get hazelnut, caramel, vanilla cream, mocha, pumpkin spice, espresso, macchiato, creme brulee, cold brew, and double shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for this part. You can see I already have everything pretty much on. I'm going to first start with the shade Caramel, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna take a nice little fluffy brush. Just have a little bit of kick back, just the tiniest bit though. Looks so pigmented though. So you see that, you guys? Wow, that is stunning. So I'm gonna try to maybe build this up a little bit more. I do remember her saying that she wants this palette for everyone, so it's not going to be like super pigment, so you can definitely build up the shades. And that is good because not everyone can handle a soft culture. And this is a Morphe brush, but it's from a collection, so I really can't give you the exact number. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Pumpkin Spice, which is the last one here. Right there. Look at this eyeshadow, you guys. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take the extra brush, and this has nothing on it. I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Oh, this is gorgeous. You don't even need to go back. Let's go ahead and deepen this up a little bit more. I'm gonna take the shade Hazelnut, which is this one right here. I don't know if you guys see this, but I have zero fallout. Zero, and I'm not kicking off the brush. As you can see it's kind of a little patchy. That's because I'm not kicking off the excess, because I want to make sure that this doesn't give me excess on my eyelids. So far, it's just giving the kickback off in the palette, but not on my eyelid or my face. I'm sorry, but you guys, this is like gorgeous dreams on your eyes. Like, it's gorgeous. I'm just gonna take the shade Pumpkin Spice one more time, and I'm just gonna blend this through the crease just to give us that more radiant look. I'm gonna take the shade Mocha right here. Look how much pigment came off, you guys. Wow, I'm shook. I'm sorry, but I'm shook. I'm just gonna stamp this in here. I'll go ahead and blend this outward. I'm just kind of testing the colors, making sure they work. Oh, I'm so kind of shook. So I'm going to use the color Creme Brulee, the third shade on here. I do remember her saying that these eyeshadows have crushed pearls in them, and they do not need any kind of like pigment or anything. So I'm just going to take my brush, dry brush, and I'm just going to go with this. Oh my gosh. You guys see that, right? I'm not like going crazy. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? This is so beautiful. Oh my god. People are, if you guys don't buy this palette by now, I'm surprised you don't have it in your cart at this moment. I am officially shook. I'm shook. I didn't even cut my crease. That's how good this is. Oh my god, you guys. I can't believe it. Like, I can believe it, but I'm just shook. I'm gonna try to use all the shades, watch. I'm gonna take the shade, what is this, Vanilla Cream. I'm gonna take the shade Vanilla Cream, and I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. I've seen a lot of people take the color Cold Brew, and I think it would look pretty, but I just want to take the purple because I feel like it's not getting the amor. You guys, I'm so shook. I'm gonna take a little bit of Pumpkin Spice. Do you see this? Oh my god, I'm shocked. So the only shades I have not gone in for this palette, at least today, is Cold Brew, Macchiato, and Espresso, and I think we need an inner corner highlight, so I'm going to take the color Macchiato. Oh my Lanta. Not being so good. Oh my god. A round of applause, because this is officially amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll do eyelashes off camera as well, so I'll be back for the lip. Alrighty, so I actually changed my lip because I felt like that was a little bit too pink. So I actually went in with the colors Speed Dial kind of all over from ColourPop, and then I did strip right in the center to give it more of an ombre look, to give it more of a pouty look. So I actually like this one more. I feel like it goes with the warm tones. It just looks so good. I am obsessed. I have never looked as good as I do right now. It looks so good. I am impressed in the fact that I used my brushes without any extra products, without any extra primers, setting sprays or anything. This is so impressive. I am just shook. I'm shook. Kristen, you did that, okay? You did that. This palette is seriously gorgeous. It blends. It has amazing pigmentation. It just looks so beautiful. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. The fact that you get 7 matte shades and 3 of the pearly shimmer shades, and these are so pigmented. It's kind of crazy. And the way that she kind of designed this palette is she wanted them to be pretty big, just so you could use a face brush if you wanted to do a face brush, and kind of use this as well. I'm actually going to take a little bit of vanilla cream, and I'm actually going to put this under my eyes and see. Whoa, it just kind of gives you like a brightened effect. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of macchiato and my fan brush. Just a little bit. You guys, this is an amazing palette. I really am obsessed. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and it just looks so crazy because I just can't believe it. It's just, I can believe it, but it's just a good ass palette. Like the fact that this is her first palette and she already is off with a banger. The fact that this eyeshadow palette is so good, and I'm confused why there's not a lot more bang. Come on, like I need people to notice it. Like this palette is so good. I'm just confused why there's not a lot of hype. Like this palette is amazing. A lot of the beauty bloggers already have them. They already kind of have gone to her party. So I'm just shook, okay? I am shook. I don't know. Please buy it. I will leave it in the link down below on my description. I will also leave Kristen's video down below so you guys can see and learn a little bit more about this amazing palette. Please let me know down below if you guys wanted any more tutorials using this palette. If you want me to use the other shades in this palette, well, no, because I will use it, okay? I will use it. That is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys like these more in-depth, more in-tune videos with a specific item or a makeup product. Let me know if you guys like these more than just your whole overall get ready with me. And yeah, that is everything for this video. I love you guys so much. Please remember to hit the subscribe button down below, like this video, and you know, leave me a comment. What is your favorite color on this eyeshadow palette? And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.